Today, I'll show you how to get a receipt from GCash. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Sign in using your MPIN, Face ID, fingerprint, or the login method you normally use. Once you are on the home screen, look for Transactions, Activity, or Inbox, depending on your app version. Tap it to view your recent GCash activities. Now find the transaction where you need a receipt. This could be a send money transaction, bills payment, cash in, cash out, bank transfer, load purchase, or online payment. Tap the transaction to open the details. You should see important information such as the amount, date, time, reference number, sender or receiver details, and transaction status. This screen can serve as your proof of payment. To save a copy, take a screenshot of the transaction details. Make sure the reference number and amount are clearly visible. If GCash gives you a download, share, or view receipt option, tap it and save the receipt to your phone. You can also send it through email, Messenger, WhatsApp, or another app if needed. For bills payment or merchant payments, you may also receive a confirmation message in your GCash inbox, SMS, or email. Check those messages if you need another copy of the receipt. If you cannot find the transaction, use the date or search option if available. You can also check your transaction history from the GCash Help Center if you need more support. If the payment was successful but no receipt appears, save the reference number and contact GCash support through Profile, then Help. So, to keep it simple, open GCash, go to Transactions or Activity, select the payment, open the details, then screenshot, download, or share the receipt if available. And that's how you get a receipt from GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.